Hi, I'm Christina, a Mine professional spray tan artist located in Knoxville, Tennessee. I've been working in the industry for 8 years. I'm here to share my advice to both the spray tan artist and the customer receiving the spray tan. My prep advice is to exfoliate, shave, and moisturize 2 days before your tan. Exfoliating and shaving is going to rid your skin of all dead skin cells, and moisturizing is going to prep your skin to be ready for the solution. Your spray tan artist should provide a barrier cream which will go on any dry spots on your body. This can go on your elbows, knees, palms of hands, or around your fingernails and toenails. I always recommend my clients to wear something loose and comfortable to put on after their spray tan. As a spray tan artist, you want to provide barrier cream, sticky soles for the feet, and a hairnet. Consult with your client beforehand to determine the skin tone and undertone and the look that they are trying to achieve. Be sure to clean your gum between uses and any filters if needed. If you're new to spray tanning, expect to be doing poses that we will guide you through. You'll start by facing the back, we'll do both sides, and proceed to the front. And then we will do your face and neck. If you're new to spray tanning, you can refer to our How to Spray Tan video for an in-depth explanation. Some tips that I would recommend is to always do double coats to ensure full coverage. I would also recommend spraying further away on the face and on the hands. When finishing the spray tan, if you would like darker results, your spray tan artist will spray you a second time, repeating the previous poses. At the end of the spray tan, your spray tan artist will dry you off with a hose. You will repeat the poses for a third time. Some techs like to use a mitt or a brush to blend out any areas from buildup. When finishing the spray tan, you can let your client know they can put their clothes on and give them advice on how long to let the tan sit before they rinse. When using the Pro Spray Mist, you can either determine their time or let them choose when to rinse off. Do not be discouraged if your client has a hue to their skin tone following the fresh spray. This can be a blue tone, gray tone, etc. This is the Skin True Shade technology working its magic. The Pro Spray Mist adapts to your skin tone and undertone for the best results. I would advise you to prepare your client for this beforehand. Some Pro Spray Mists do this more often than others. The mist can be rinsed off as soon as 1 hour, but this will be the lighter result. For a medium tan, rinse from 2 to 4 hours. For a darker tan, rinse in 5 to 6 hours. For the darkest results, let your tan sit for 8 hours or even overnight. With Mine Rapid Solutions, you have control in the depth of tan, along with adapting to the client's skin tone and undertone. So each tan is a custom tan. Over time, you can mix the solutions together to create your own concoction. I always recommend my clients to keep their tan on for 8 hours or longer so that it processes all the way. For more information on the Pro Spray Mist, visit our website. After the spray tan, be sure to log the client's tan, how much solution you used, or what you mixed together. If there are any problems with the tan, you are able to review and make adjustments in the future. I always recommend for my clients to be sure to moisturize daily to prolong the life of the tan. You can do this with several MineTan retail products. I recommend the Invisible Color. This is a gradual everyday tan extender. My favorite solutions are the coconut water, the ultra dark, and the workout ready. So first, the coconut water. This is full of antioxidants. It's super hydrating and suitable for all skin types. This looks beautiful on everybody and is my go-to solution. My next favorite solution is the Workout Ready Spray Tan. I love this. It's great for people that are super active. I use this for dance teams and cheerleading teams because it's sweat resistant and super long lasting. And next is the Ultra Dark. I use this on my clients that want the darkest tan. It's also coconut scented. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any more information, you can visit our website at MineTanBodyskin.com.